Hello, I'm Jason, and welcome to another free English video lesson brought to you by Main Street English. As an English learner, it's important to understand how to use nobody correctly in sentences to communicate effectively. In this video, I'll explore the proper usage of nobody as both the subject and object of a sentence and as a countable noun. I'll also show you the common mistake of using double negatives with nobody, which can lead to confusion and miscommunication. So let's get started and master the correct usage of nobody in English. Are you ready? Let's go. Nobody is an indefinite pronoun. It means no person. It is used to refer to the absence of a group of people. Look at these examples. Nobody is at the park right now. Nobody asked for help with their projects. As an indefinite pronoun, nobody replaces the subject or the object of a sentence. Nobody is always used with a singular verb. For example, as the subject of a sentence. Nobody could tell where the smoke was coming from. Nobody wants to sit next to a crying baby on a long flight. Nobody enjoys being stuck in traffic during rush hour. And as the object of a sentence. The teacher asked a question, but nobody raised their hand to answer. She realized that nobody had remembered her birthday and felt a bit disappointed. The party was a total flop as nobody showed up. Nobody should not be used with negative verbs. Doing so makes a double negative. For example, I didn't see nobody at the office today. Or, I can't find nobody who wants to go with me. These are bad. Don't do this. Nobody can also be used as a noun to indicate a person of no importance. It is a countable noun and can take S. For example, the party was attended by a lot of celebrities, but there were also a few nobodies there. The city's homeless population often feels like they are treated as nobodies, ignored by the rest of society. Thank you for watching this video. You've now learned how to use nobody properly in English sentences. By mastering the use of nobody, you'll be able to communicate more effectively with native speakers and avoid common mistakes that can lead to confusion. Remember to use nobody with a singular verb and avoid using double negatives with this indefinite pronoun. By using nobody correctly, you'll be able to express yourself with confidence and clarity in English. Keep practicing and learning, and before you know it, you'll be speaking English like a pro. I'm Jason with Main Street English. If you have any questions about the use of nobody, please leave it in the comments and let's chat. Please remember to like and subscribe to see more free English video lessons brought to you by Main Street English. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.